In this video, I'm going to show you how to order a Crypto.com Visa card. The process is really simple, and you can do it directly from the Crypto.com mobile app. First, open the app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home screen, go ahead and tap on the card icon at the bottom menu. This will take you to the Crypto.com Visa card section. Here, you'll see the different tiers of cards available, and each one comes with its own benefits depending on how much CRO you're willing to stake. Go ahead and scroll through the options and pick the card that works best for you. Once you select a card, you'll see the staking requirements and the benefits listed. Then tap on the Order button. At this point, you'll need to complete your KYC verification if you haven't already, and then confirm the amount of CRO you're staking. After that, just enter your delivery details and submit your request. The card will first be issued virtually so you can start using it online right away, and then the physical card will be shipped to your address. So that's all you need to do to order your Crypto.com Visa card. If you want more flexibility than a crypto card, Wise gives you free virtual and physical debit cards that work anywhere, online or in person. On top of that, transfers cost less and exchange rates are fairer than banks. Sign up with the link in the description, and your first $800 transfer is free.